Hey guys, welcome to Fatima's Breaks. I am Fatima and today I'll be sharing with you guys the details of the Lego Jurassic Summer 2024 sets. I'd like to credit the brickfan.com for this because this is the website that I'm using, and we're going to start with the first set, Baby Bumpy and Kylosaurus. So this set is going to retail at US $25 or $24.99, and it comes with a Baby Bumpy and Kylosaurus, which is a type of a dinosaur, and it's the Jurassic World set. So we've got this dinosaur, and I guess it's one of these smaller sets, yeah, because it's 358 pieces. But okay, I mistakenly assumed it for a much smaller set because it doesn't look like it's gonna be 358 pieces. But anyways, it comes along with a carrot, but maybe they should have included some minifigures. But okay, so this is the first set, and it doesn't look like it's 358 pieces. But above that, I'm actually impressed by this design of the tongue and the eye. I think that's an eye patch, or it's either a sticker. And over here, this is how it looks from the back. Okay, upon reviewing it from the back, I think I changed my mind. It does look 358 pieces. And over here, we have the view of it. Then next up we have the Stegosaurus discovery, and this one looks like a dinosaur which is completely not built from Lego bricks. It's like it's built into whole parts which is being connected, and I do know that this is how the Jurassic sets are, because it's really difficult to build an entire dinosaur from these tiny little pieces. But I must credit Lego for this top set on this above set. So here we have, honestly, maybe this might dinosaur might only be maybe 25 pieces. The rest of it goes towards the car, the tree, and this cart over here. So we've got a minifigure here. We've got two minifigures here. And there's a tiny squirrel which I've noticed. And we've got this tree house. Not tree house, but yes, a tree. And over here we've got this truck. So most of the pieces go towards the truck, the cart, and the tree. So really the dinosaur is left with nothing but just the whole pieces to connect. It's just like how we have the dragon in Ninjago, Baby Ryu. He's like a small figure, but that makes sense, he's a small figure, but maybe like a dragon. And this is the view. So here we have this cart being connected to the truck, and these two tiny leaf-like figure, and this figure connected to the tree house. And here we have the minifigure, and there's another minifigure, and there you go. This looks like a baby T-Rex, and yeah, it's built into hole. And we've got the tree house, and this looks like a speaker radio. And over here we have the view of the set. So this is how it looks as a whole. Allosaurus transport truck, and this is gonna retail at US 89.99, and it is at 588 pieces. Again, the pieces don't go towards the dinosaur itself. The dinosaur looks like as if it's built as a whole. The pieces actually go towards the crane and the truck that's part of it. So it's more of a vehicle set, honestly. I don't understand how does this make any difference from normal sets. I mean, it's just that there's a different dinosaur figure, one that comes up with its own figures, and we've got two minifigures here, and that looks like a flying drone. Oh, so it looks like the dinosaur is being captured by the sheriff's truck. And we've got two minifigures. I'm happy they included a black minifigure. I'm really happy. We must promote all of this. Thank you guys. Here we've and finished the end of it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe to Fatima's Breaks.